enthusiast who creates custom-made plant arrangements tailored just for you, founder of Najwa's Gardens, Justine Harrison, joins me now. Good morning, Justine. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
It's good to have you here. That's a pretty big teacup of rocks.
It's special.
Yeah, you don't drink that one.
No.
Sure. Tell me a little bit about your love for plants. Where did that start?
You know, I'd have to say it started with my mom.
Yeah.
I mean, from childhood, I remember going to plant shows with her all the time, and I hated it. When I was little, the sun was so hot, and we'd just walk around behind her. But, you know, my love has grown, you know, over time. And I did a special project for her 2 years ago, fixing up her garden, and I think that's where my passion project just kind of took off.
So you learned the art of green thumbing just watching her?
Not really watching her. I've done my own research, and I've gone to the shows, talked to other persons, and kind of just came natural after a little while.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What does it do for you?
It is a relaxing getaway for me. Every Sunday, every Saturday, I'm in the garden just working, you know, just figuring out what new plants I'm going to try to grow or propagate. So it's an exciting journey for me.
So is this your full-time business?
No, actually, I have a full-time job.
So this is
my weekend life.
I love that. Yes. I hear plants are showing up in all sorts of different spaces now. This is a thing. It's a trend.
There's a trend.
What are some of the areas that you hear about or read about this happening, and it kind of didn't make sense before, but it's cool now?
Well, I think for me, what I am seeing, or what I think the trend is that plants are being integrated more into personal and private spaces. So before, you may have had, like, you know, some herbs in the kitchen or so, but now you plant in your bathroom. You have a plant in the laundry room. You have a plant at your cubicle, at your desk. You'll find that people are just so much more interested in having them in their spaces.
And what does that do for you psychologically?
I mean, I said it before. It improves well-being, wellness.
Does it improve air quality too?
It does, indeed, it does. It does, because we have certain types of plants which are purifying or filtering, so they have properties which help to remove toxins from the air. So mold, for example, in the laundry room, you know, we use cleaning products. Ammonia comes off of those cleaning products. And if you have a plant in there which is helping to absorb certain things, you know, you're safer.
Wow. See, guys, it's not just decorative and beautiful, but it serves a practical
Yes, and
purpose.
It brings up the ambience. I mean, who doesn't like a plant, you know, to make the space special?
I want to ask you a question. Sure. Now, when you say plant, right, we're talking about the real ones that grow out of the earth.
Correct.
Because there is a whole new movement now.
That is also true.
Not real ones that look really real and look really good.
Well, I'm about the real. I do love the fake ones,
yes,
but I do actually just like the process of managing a living thing and seeing it through to maturity and having that sort of experience.
But for the person who wants the kind of zen that the plant can bring but does not have the green thumb, you're okay with us putting this?
Of course I'm okay. There's room for everybody.
All right, let's talk through some of the things that you have here. Okay. I notice a common theme of butterflies.
Yes, I love butterflies. That's my thing.
Yeah.
It just signifies freedom and flight, so I like to add that
I saw a butterfly
to my design.
On my car yesterday.
You did?
Yes.
Well, that's a sign. That's a good sign.
I'm hoping so.
Yeah.
Talk us through. Love the colors that you mix and you match. And
so as I said, plants can add to your decor. It can make you feel good, uplift your vibes. So I'm about pops of color.
Okay, can we start over here, guys? I'm going to start with the orange. Go ahead.
Right, so this is a Sansevieria.
Okay.
Right, and as we talked about those air cleaning plants, this is one of those.
Okay.
And it does well inside the house or inside the office, so you can have it, it thrives in a low light sort of condition, so it will do fine.
Lots of water in the leaf?
I mean, yeah, you just water, I would say once a week. You can also base your watering regime based on if the soil has dried out or not, so you can kind of get the hang of things like that.
So there's soil under that decorative.
There is soil there. There is soil. That's how they're thriving and growing.
No, me kill them all. So I have to ask you. I have
this one is aloe.
Okay, this look like it will pop stick you.
Oops.
If you know, mind sharp. Okay.
No, man.
So it's a little more resistant.
Yes.
Right.
Definitely
so it can thrive a little longer without the water.
Yes. And remember now, the aloe stores water in its leaves.
Okay. This is correct. Okay. Yeah. Can you just, when it grows to a certain point, just cut it and put it on your face?
You could.
I'm just checking.
Because, you know, aloe is great for the skin, great for the body.
So Jamaican people know. What's this?
This one is also another Sansevieria, so the same family, but this one is called the golden honey, and that's because you have the gold or the yellow flecks going through.
I love how you've decorated this.
Thank you,
In this
thank
nice
you.
big faux
That's
cup.
the excitement of it. You get to express your creative side.
Yeah,
you
I
know?
would probably just get this, put the flowering out of the plant, and put coffee in that cup and just chug. Lovely. Is it cactus?
Yes,
Okay.
it is a cactus.
Should be easy to maintain, even though I've killed cactus too.
You have?
I have. It's
Well,
not
they
something I'm
require
proud about.
very, very little.
Yeah, but
They're
you
low
know,
maintenance, so you
right.
can't overwater,
Yeah,
you know,
Justine,
or over.
I killed it. I killed
killed
it.
it.
I'm gonna give me a.
Well, I can give you some tips if you want after.
Okay, great.
Yes.
I love this one.
That
Tell
one
me
I
about
call
this.
the potato chips, but most people call it flapjacks. I
Yeah.
mean, you can see why I would call it the
Yes,
potato
it's
chips.
shaped like a chip.
Right, and it is a succulent. So again, this can be inside or it can be outside. And if you keep it in the sun, you'll notice that some
Browning.
redness is on the edges, so it gets this really pretty framed color. Yeah.
And over here.
And this one is a barrel cactus. And believe it or not, cacti bloom. So that's exciting
if you don't kill them.
if you don't kill them.
Yeah.
But we'll talk about the tips.
All right,
after.
these are lovely. You
Thank
do
you.
bigger sizes, I'm going to assume.
Sure. I
Okay.
mean, the business that I have is a custom thing, so it's
What
whatever
you
you
want.
want. You can
Okay.
tell me what color stones, what sort of container you're looking for. So it's all about you. It's all about the customer and what you want to make a special day special.
Love that. All right, if your dad is into plants for Father's Day, this could be a nice gift.
Yep,
I don't know.
Father's Day
Think
coming
about
up.
it. Yeah. So Nashwa's Gardens is the name of the business. Justine Harrison is our guest. Where do we find you?
Oh, you can find me on Instagram or my Facebook page, which is Najwa's Garden. Or you can send me an email at harrison.justine@ymail.com.
Okay. Can I ask you what the Najwa stands for?
Actually, you know, my mom almost named me that. That was the second runner-up name. And I found it to be such a beautiful name, and it means a secret conversation or talk. And really and truly, this started out as a secret passion project,
love
and
that.
now the secret is out.
Girl. So hope you take the wings of a butterfly and just
you.
take off with this. I
Journey.
love when people pursue their passion and it gets them to where
Yes,
they
and I
want to
encourage
go.
everybody to do something that they love.
Yes! Message for the morning. Founder of Nashwa's Gardens, Justine Harrison. And it's Stop for Father's Day, as we mentioned that earlier. Stop for Father's Day after this. We'll be right back.